Oh yeah, got a treat for y'all. Woo. Batman 85th anniversary popcorn bucket. Check that out, guys. Oh my! I have had this for a minute now. I don't know why it took me so long to make a video about it, but yeah, check it out. We got it's the lamp, guys. The bat signal. You open it right here for all your popcorn snack needs. And best of all, hold on. It turns on. It actually works as a functioning bat signal. And look at that. Look at that, guys. So I just needed to get this. I had to have it. So sick, so cool. It's a great little even display piece. You know, I don't know how much popcorn use will get, but super hype, super great. Batman forever, Batman Day. Till next time.